Okay, welcome back guys. In this video, we're going to see how we can solve the inverse of 3 by 3 matrix using the calculator Casio fx5800P. It would be very similar for other Casio models too. It might be just a little bit different on the mode and how to define the matrix, but the rest is the same. So we're going to start the calculator by pressing on AC, and if we go to the function, we'll see that the number 8 is matrix. And before starting this, we have to define our matrix. So we're going to press on edit. First, we have different options. Let's say we're going to define it as matrix A. So we're going to click on right on matrix A, and we want 3 by 3. So we have to define our matrix first in here. So the first one we have 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2, 0, 1, 1, minus 1, and 0 for the last one. And if we press on execute, we'll see that we have our matrix defined in the calculator. So we're going to press on exit, and we know our matrix is matrix A. And if we press on function again one more time, 8, and if we click on matrix, so we define our matrix A. So we're gonna press on alpha, and we're gonna find A. And since we want to find the reverse, we just have to press on shift, and this one we have the reverse sign. And if we click on execute, we can see the answer for the inverse matrix. And that would be all. You guys take care, and I'll see you in the next video.